Hello everyone, how are you all? This is Nazia Actress. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is the day one for my J-Hope concert. I'm so excited. So I just woke up. This is my room where I was staying. So when I woke up and I just started working some a paper like to show something and represent India. So this is the thing. India love BTS in hope size. I hope BTS or big hit people or hype people will capture this and will post in their page, or J-Hope can post it. So I'm just waiting, manifesting. So I'll get ready. I'll show you the first day of my concert, costume and everything, and I'll show all around the stadium, but I can't shoot anything inside. So it's not, you can't take it anything, videos or anything. So definitely I'll keep small bits, but not full of the J-Hope thing, concert and everything. So let's hope for the best, and I'll get ready and I'll come back, okay? Before getting ready, I was trying to have some breakfast, but couple of armies who are coming with us, they are taking so much time. It's already 11:30. I have to have my breakfast. Then I will come back to room. Then I'll start getting ready for the concert. So meanwhile, my good to go costume, I'll show you. Let's go for best. And my roommate, this is the roommate room. I'll give my room tour in the last of the vlog, so you will see, because right now it's so messy, so I want to make little neat, and then I'll give a room tour. Breakfast, I'll show you the streets. It resembles Australia, especially the Strathfield, Burwood, Parramatta. These suburbs will literally represent. It is in New South Wales, Australia, Sydney, Australia. So I felt like coming back to my home again. So now I'll show the roads and the restaurant where I'm eating, because we are eating right now at the Tamilian restaurant. The food is so good. So I'll show you the routes and everything. So let's go. 360 degree of the room. Let's go. ఇక్కడ బ్రాలు చెట్టీలు వేసుకునే తిరుగుతున్నారు జనాలు. ఈవిడ షేడ్ పెట్టుకుంటాను ఫీల్ అవుతుంది ఏంటండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. So these are the streets.
ముందు దిక్కుతావా వెనక్కి దిక్కుతావా?
అది రిటర్న్ వచ్చేటప్పుడు తీస్తాయి. అప్పుడు వెలుగు ఎండ వస్తుంది కదా మధ్యలోకి 12 అవ్వగానే. సో ఇంకా బాగా వస్తుంది బ్లాగ్లో. ఏ యూజ్ యువర్ బ్రెయిన్ రే.
ఐఎమ్ నాట్ బ్లాగర్, ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ నార్మల్ గర్ల్.
అబ్బా ఇంకా నార్మల్ గర్ల్. బ్లాగ్ వచ్చేసారంట, వస్తున్నాం అన్నాం. సౌండ్ వినిపిస్తుందా?
నేను ఇప్పుడు విన్నా. షిట్ మ్యాన్, ఐ వాజ్ నాట్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్. నేను సాంగ్ విని నవ్య నువ్వు హాలసినేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నావు నాని, యూఆర్ హాలసినేటింగ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అనుకుంటున్నాను.
రాలేదు వాళ్ళు కాల్ చేసి.
నా దగ్గర ఫోన్ లేదు, నేను ఫోనే రాలేదు. ఆర్డర్ చేద్దామా?
మనం తింటాం మొదలు పెడదాం. ఇది ఆరెంజ్ జ్యూస్ తీసుకుందాం వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు. Do you wanna say to my YouTubers?
It's very hot actually.
Yeah. So do we go in cab? What do you suggest?
No, in the cab only.
Here only.
So let's see the menu. See? Indi, dosa, rava, all. Look at the prices.
Hot.
No, even
Like,
there
I understand the speed. So that's the difference between Eastern, South India and North India. Even when I was in Delhi.
Go to 7-Eleven, 7-Eleven. Yes.
welcome.
Oh.
Wow. Welcome. Hello. Battery is
Give me phone. Ramyans.
You're getting ramens with you? No,
Already she got it.
no, they won't allow
No,
inside
no,
the
no.
vendor.
That is for room.
That's what, yeah.
I think this
This
is also very tasty. Yesterday I had.
Yeah, yeah. This also we'll eat right before entering. Extra.
If you have extra one battery, I need one battery because we got 4, right? So I use 3. No, I use 2. I need 2 more. I have 1. If you have 1, give
But
me.
I5 back, it will, because tomorrow also if there no light stick, again I have to buy.
Oh, yeah. Right, still maybe battery finish.
ఫినిష్ అయిపోయి వాళ్ళు పెట్టే అది ఉందిగా ఫస్ట్ అది ఫినిష్ చేయి ఆ తర్వాత తీసుకో ఇది ఇలాంటి స్టూపిడ్ ఫెలోస్ ఉంటారండి అప్పుడప్పుడు హ్యాండిల్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది యూ నీడ్ ఇట్ బికాజ్ యూ విల్ ఫెయింట్ షీఈస్ జే హోప్ బయాస్
And take my time.
జే హోప్
Let's go, let's go, let's
Take
go.
up, take up.
I'm your home, you're my house.
ఓకే కమ్
There was no
I started makeup. Now I'll get ready with my makeup, then I'll wear the dress. I don't want to wear dress and do a makeup because back again. So you're gonna watch my YouTube channel everything about the J-Hope concert today. So it's already started the live. So I am entering right now to buy the merchandise. So let's go and see what exactly, and you're gonna see J-Hope very soon. See ya.
see tonight.
Hello, so how are you all? It's been 2 weeks. I have not posted anything as because I've been traveling Singapore and Indonesia for a J-Hope concert. As you have seen whole vlog of J-Hope concert on day 1. So I will be very fast because this vlog will be a little bigger. Like you have to watch it why it is been. So the thing is that on the day 1 in the Singapore J-Hope concert, we got a ticket. Pen B. So there is a VIP A, VIP B, Pen A, Pen B. Then all of them on the top is like cats, like a cat 1, cat 2, cat 3, cat 4. So I haven't got the VIP on the first day, but the second day I got the VIP ticket. So the Pen B is in front of VIP A and B. After backside, after 3-4 rows, there is a Pen B and Pen A. So we watched J-Hope very closely, like almost very closely. In front of us there are only like 6 to 7 rows who are standing and watching. So it is a huge crowd. My god, like it's like a dream world, like every army's dream world to watch BTS, to watch every member. But luckily I got ticket and I watched J-Hope concert. Oh my god, in these 2 weeks till today also, I came just 2 days back from Indonesia from J-Hope concert, and still I am in the dream world. I couldn't stop myself. I'm just crying like hell why it has been ended. And you will be the person where you are actually you are once you watch the J-Hope, I mean once you watch the BTS concert face to face with your bare eyes. Once you come back out of that concert, I mean from that stadium, you feel different person. Like you feel like you should change. You get some more and more positivity, more motivation. I am a person where I always think negative, or if it is happen negative, what will be, I think, I mean I will be I am actually a overthinker. Now I'm not, as because of J-Hope concert it helps me a lot. It's trying to heal me. I am just trying to tell you, I have no words to describe. The J-Hope concert is like one member also, it's like watching a whole 7 members. Like I don't feel like I was missing rest of the 6 people when I was watching J-Hope, because as I see when J-Hope is performing, he's literally keeping all 7 members and giving that energy to the army, showing the love to the army. It's like dream. It's like I don't know what word I have to use to describe you guys how I'm feeling actually. So let's go to the next section. What happened when we are like entering into the VIP A, VIP B, Pen A, Pen B is a one way only. So once you enter, you will you get separated. So there will be a lot of checking inside. Why I'm telling this? Because I have an eye lock. Directly eye lock. I don't know you guys believe or not, I directly had an eye lock on first day with J-Hope. Why it got eye lock, I'll tell you now. So when we enter, while we are entering, we had a bag checkup, like everything they will check. So I have taken I have written on the bird, I mean like in the paper, like a paper bird, India love BTS in hope size. So let me show you that. So this is the one. So with this, I was thinking, me and my friend went, no, so we are thinking we should hold a small flag where he can see that we are Indians, we really love you. So I took a very small flag. I don't want to show in this vlog because the introduction itself comes with a biggest song, like he will come with a song only. At that time only I was holding a flag and showing like this, like literally like I'm just waving like this. His eyes locked there when he saw the flag and this. So 2 songs over, third song over, the burn is over. Then after that he will come, he will go for the change the dress. Once he changed the dress and he will come back, he came back and he was talking. Then he went inside for performance. That time also me, I was holding this, I was holding a phone to record and I was holding a flag. So my friend Navya was holding a flag, Indian flag and army bomb, and I was holding and I was keeping phone to record like this. Because there is a lot of cameras, I just thought like camera will be on the top of my head or some corner or this corner or that corner. No, it's a 360 degrees camera in the stadium. So they locked us with the Indian flag showing it. So they came and the security team came. I don't know what happened. They came inside. They told us to come out. We are like looking like this, and because I am not holding, for after some time Hanavya was, my friend was holding that army bomb and Indian flag. She said why I need to come out, because you can't show the flag in the stadium. We thought like what is the, we haven't written anything wrong, like we haven't offended anything, we haven't kept any type of memes or anything, so why they are telling us to come out? Because the thing is that you can write nice messages or you can tell anything, but you can't, I mean you can't, it is the flag you can't allow into the stadium. So that's what we came to know. So she told that why would I come out, you take the flag, you keep it with yourself, once we done the concert we'll collect from you. So the security was very rude in the Singapore. She was very rude. It's a lady. She was very rudely talking to Navya, I mean my friend who is holding. So Navya got pissed off. My friend got pissed off because of way of talking, not because of these protocols we are not following. It's because the way of talking. Because there is a lot of color discrimination in Singapore. I observed that because I sensed that, even Navya sensed that, but still it's okay. Every country has their own way of culture or own way of treatment. I don't mind it because sometimes we also do mistakes without knowing it. So she said, oh, okay, I'm not going to keep it. You keep it. Once we're done, we are collecting. So she said, no, we can't keep the flag. It's your Indian flag. Then she messages to one of her superior, I think that it's an Indian flag. She took a picture. She said it's an Indian flag. So the superior said, tell them to keep it inside the bag, not to show it because it's not authorized to show it. So then she was very politely said, okay ma'am, keep it inside, don't take it out, and please next time don't do that. So we are looking at our face like this. But when we are holding the flag and this one, Hobie locked our eyes like directly, like 2 to 3 times. Me and Navya was looking like this. Is that Hobie is looking at us? Like we just got goosebumps. Now also we are like feeling so much whenever we think that moment. So some rules are there. You have to be very clearly, when we are entering into the stadium, you have to give it very clearly. Like we don't know, like we have no knowledge about it, not to get a flag, not to get a food, not to get a water. You should not shout, you should not keep your phone more than on like this, so that it is blocking to some other view also. So these are the rules has to come to know when you are going to the concert. So why I am telling this, because I've been experienced on Singapore day 1, day 2, Indonesia, Jakarta in day 1. So that is the reason I'm being very clear to you what to do when you go to the BTS event or any solo concert of members of event. Make sure not to take any flags. Make sure write it very nice messages instead of any other type of messages. Third thing, not to carry heavy food, very lighted snacks, and very small water bottle, not a big bottles. And also make sure keep a distance each other in between the people, so that you could not push and give a trouble to another person. And the very last and important thing is that while you are recording, don't block some others view, because some people are very high, some people are very less. In front of me there is a one girl, she is like this I am actually a 5'5", 5'6", near to 5'6". She is almost 5'7", 5'8", and we couldn't see the J-Hope properly. Then once the show started, everybody is like spreading out, like they want to be very open up and see it, because in the start of the time we was in very crushed place. Then everybody got relaxed and everybody is giving space to everyone. So we got a very good view after that lady has moved out. So we had a very good enjoyment. But the thing is that after this he saw it, but we didn't get any cameraman to capture this. I don't know why, because we holded a flag, because of security guard came and said everything. But it's okay, Kinchana, we are fine that Hobie saw us, Hobie recognized us. But once we went to the second show the next day, what happened, I'll tell you into the next day to Singapore vlog. Definitely you have to keep watching this in the next vlog, what happened. So we are very happy, we have no words to say. In the Penby only we saw very closely to the J-Hope, and imagine what is happened in the VIP itself, where I was standing at the barricade. I mean, there is a barricade, there is one row, and the behind we are actually. But what happened, you have to see into the next vlog. So meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will let you know one more thing, why I didn't added many bites of J-Hope concert in this vlog or in the coming vlog, because it's a copyright content with the music. So I don't want to make myself in trouble or this channel into the trouble. That's the reason I haven't added much. But I posted some photos which I took, and I took the J-Hope photos. And also I posted 1-2 bites of speaking J-Hope. If once I upload this video, if I won't get a copy content rights, then I will post it. Otherwise I have to mute that and add some music, background music, because I don't want to get in trouble with my YouTube channel. But if you want to see all the vlogs, all the reels of Singapore day 1 and day 2 J-Hope concert, you can go into my page, parkjimin_my_jagia13. I'm just tagging my Instagram page here, BTS fan page. You go watch, look at all the things, so that you can enjoy full of the concert songs, whatever the J-Hope has been performed. And I'm telling you guys, it's a worthy. I spended almost for day 1, day 2, 2 concerts. One is a VIP ticket and another is almost literally around 2.5 lakhs. With the tickets, with the food, with the hotel and everything I have spent it. It's been costed me 2.55 or 75 something. I was thinking that it will be get finished in 1.75, but extra 1 lakh has happened because we got scammed about the hotel also. Once we entered into the Singapore, which we booked the ticket D Nova Hotel. That hotel, my light got off. That hotel has been scammed us. We booked a room for 2 people, 1 room. It's a bunk beds, but they have taken 1 person in 1 room, 1 person in 1 room, and with a mixed gender, means like boys and girls. It's not like same person in 1 room, it's a different person in different rooms. We asked for refund. They said it's a non-refundable. You booked from booking.com. You have to talk to them. So blah blah blah. It's happened almost like 3 to 4 hours interaction, like communication, so much drama, like chaos and everything with that hotel. Then we later fixed up. Leave it. We lost 22,000 for that from that hotel because no refund. Then we went to some other hotel beside of that. We checked all around the area. That hotel is good or not. Then we checked in and we paid each member 24,000. It means almost 24, 22, 46,000. It means almost near to 50,000 is lost for me and my friend also individually. So that is the biggest thing. So whenever you book a ticket to the hotel, make sure go directly to their website, then only book it. Don't go with any other third party apps because it's totally a mess. They will keep one information, once you enter there will be another information. So I don't want you to, whenever you go with Singapore, I don't want you guys to get me in this trouble. So finally I watched J-Hope this much close, and he's so charming, so handsome, so cool. He's teasing Army like anything. He's making Army laugh. His music is like insane, like insane. You will be in one different vibe. Like literally, I am holding a camera like this, and I'm holding a board like this, and I'm just looking like this. These two hands for 2 days it's gone. Still, it's paining for me here. Because I was holding 2 days like this only, a board and a phone, so it's like insane. Beautiful. It's no words. So I will say that this 2025 is the biggest memory for me. It's the biggest motivation. Definitely I will myself see a new Nazia after this concert, because I realized what to change and how I can change. That motivation came from this concert for me especially, and I will try to be change more good person, and I want to be like those people, work hard, just be nice to humans, be nice to your people, and stop being negative, overthinking. And I would say from this vlog to J-Hope, thank you so much. You just given me the bestest memory, as because I am 13 years Army, and I missed it to come Busan concert and as well as Sugar D-Day concert because of some reasons. I regret it very badly, but finally I came to know I can see you. I just got a chance to see J-Hope. So thank you so much, J-Hope, giving me so much love, memories, motivation. I will keep and cherish that forever in my life. And I have taken a lot of videos. Please go to my BTS page and even as my Instagram page, both the page, you will see a lot of close-up J-Hope, literally, with each and every song performance of Singapore Day 1, Singapore Day 2 and Indonesia also, Jakarta. So that's it. I'm just signing off right now because I will tell you more memories and more moments in the Day 2 Singapore vlog. So on the Day 2 Singapore vlog, you will see what happened and how it happened in between me, Navya and J-Hope, some kind of eye locking. So until then, signing off. So please keep watching, keep supporting, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment, and do let me know what is your favorite J-Hope song in the comment, so that I can let you know how I felt, so I can reply you for that. And thank you so much for lots of love, and please do thank you for watching the full vlog until now. It's a very long vlog, but definitely you have watched it until now, so thank you so much. Love you all. So see you in the next vlog. Bye.